Do you want to start a YouTube channel this year, but you feel stuck on where to begin? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to start your channel the right way. Step 1. Decide your purpose. Ask yourself, what do you want your channel to be about? It could be education, entertainment, lifestyle, gaming, or even vlogs. Having clarity will guide your content. Step 2. Create or sign in with your Google account. This is the key to opening your YouTube channel. Step 3. Customize your channel. Add a profile picture, banner, and description that clearly explains who you are and what your viewers can expect. Step 4. Plan your content. Write down at least 5 to 10 video ideas before uploading your first one. This will help you stay consistent. Step 5. Don't wait for expensive gear. Start with your phone. Free editing apps like CapCut and natural lighting. Remember, consistency beats perfection. Step 6. Upload your video and optimize it. Use a clear title, an eye-catching thumbnail, and add tags and descriptions that help people find your content. Starting a YouTube channel doesn't have to be complicated. The most important step is just to begin. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment about what kind of channel you're starting.